Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing digital transformations, how a successful digital transformation strategy, example of an organization, and the other one which failed. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all aspects of an organization, fundamentally changing how it operates and delivers value to customers. Embracing DT is essential for organizations to remain competitive, enhance efficiency, and improve customer experience in today's fast-paced digital landscape. There are four domains in digital transformations. The first one is technology, the second one is processes, the third one is culture, and the fourth one is customer experience. Each domain plays a critical role in shaping an organization's ability to adapt and thrive in a digital first world, driving efficiency, innovation, and enhanced customer engagement. There are key factors in digital transformation. The first one is leadership and vision. Effective digital transformation begins with strong leadership that articulates a clear vision, guiding the organization through change and inspiring teams to embrace new technologies and practices. The second one is employee engagement. Employee engagement is engaging employees through training and support is vital as it fosters a culture of innovation and adaptability, empowering staff to contribute actively to digital initiatives and transformations. The third one is the strategic alignment. Aligning digital transformations efforts with business objectives ensures that all initiatives are directed towards achieving measurable results, maximizing value from investments in technology and processes. The example of the digital transformation successful is the Microsoft. Microsoft Microsoft has successfully embraced digital transformation by integrating cloud computing, AI, and collaboration tools. Their leadership fostered a culture of innovation and agility, empowering employees to adapt and thrive. As a result, Microsoft has seen significant improvements in customers' satisfaction and operational efficiency, positioning itself as a leader in a tech industry. If there's a successful in digital transformation, there is a failure too. One of these is the Kodak digital transformation because Kodak's attempts at digital transformation ultimately failed due to resistance to change and inadequate planning. Despite being a pioneer in digital photography technology, the company struggled to shift its culture and embrace new market realities, leading to significant losses. Understanding these challenges is crucial for future success in digital initiatives. So there is a reasons for digital transformation failure. The first one is resistance to change, as I said earlier. One of the primary barriers to successful digital transformation is resistance to change. Employees may feel threatened by new processes or technologies, leading to pushback. To mitigate this, organizations must foster a culture of adaptability and actively involve team members in the transformation process. Poor planning often results in unclear goals and misaligned strategies. Organizations must conduct thorough assessments of their current systems and define clear objectives for their digital initiatives. Without a structured plan, resources may be wasted and desired outcomes may remain unattainable. The third one is if inefficient technology can hinder transformation efforts too. Organizations need to invest in the right tools and platforms that align with their business goals. Relying on outdated systems or lacking proper data analytics capabilities can lead to missed opportunities and a failure to deliver enhanced customer experience. There are key challenges in digital transformation. The first one is managing cultural resistance. Resistance to change can hinder progress as employees may be reluctant to adopt new technologies or processes, leading to slowdown in digital transformation initiatives. Legally, systems often present compatibility issues, making it challenging to incorporate modern technologies and disrupt established workflows, which can stall digital transformation efforts significantly. The second one is integrating legacy systems. Ensuring data security is paramount as organizations must protect sensitive information while implement, implementing new technologies, making it essential to establish robust security protocols during transformation. There are crucial for businesses in today's fast-paced environment. Key factors include strong leadership, employee engagement, and a clear strategy aligned with business goals. By embracing these elements, organizations can navigate challenges effectively and leverage digital tools to enhance customer experience and operational efficiency. And that's all. Thank you for listening.